Seitan is the most versatile meat substitute made with white whole wheat gluten. This easy and quick seitan is a kitchen staple in my home. Let's make it. I already measured out 1.5 cups of white whole wheat gluten. Some recipes call for garlic powder and onion powder. I don't have those, but if you do, use 1 teaspoon of each. I will add 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, which is a great source of omega-3s. Plus, it's an easy way to add extra nutrition. Now I will add half a teaspoon of my own herb mix. You can add whatever you like, just make sure it's not too overpowering. Now I have all the dry ingredients mixed well. And for the wet ingredients, I will use my homemade broth, but you can use store-bought vegetable broth as well. I just prefer making my own. It's easy, quick, and tastes great. I made 1 cup of vegetable broth earlier with this vegetable stock cube and let it cool down completely before using it. Next, I will add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Now I will mix the broth into the dry ingredients. It's important to mix it well, but no kneading. Kneading makes seitan tough and rubbery. I will use my hands to mix so I can feel the texture. Just mix until combined and stop. The dough should feel soft but not sticky. It took roughly 60 seconds. Another important step is to let the seitan rest for 30 minutes. While the seitan rests, I will prepare the broth. Turn the heat to medium-high. I will add 2 bay leaves, 1 vegetable cube, the same I used before. I have approximately 1 gallon of water in this pot. And finally 2 tablespoons soya sauce. 1 and 2. So the seitan has rested for 30 minutes. Let's check the dough. It feels good, dense and moist. The broth, oops, that was hot. The broth has come to a boil and I have turned the heat down to low. Now it's ready. I cut the seitan with kitchen shears, but you can use a knife. The pieces are about the size of my palm. Now they go into the broth to simmer over low heat. Be careful not to boil it, or the texture will turn bread-like as the seitan expands. Put the lid on and simmer it for 40 minutes. Okay, the seitan is done. Smells good and looks great. I will leave it in the pot to cool, then pop it in the fridge overnight. The next day I will package the pieces separately and freeze them. They keep for months. I will save the broth for soup. In upcoming videos I will show how I use them. Bye for now, see you next time.